Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. We just installed the big radius exhaust on this bagger. Guy wants to make a lot more noise, and he certainly will. Okay, relocated floorboards, relocated rear foot pegs, connected all the O2s back up. We put the exhaust sensor eliminator, well, the lambda, the servo actuator eliminator on. We've mounted the breathers in the holes. And what we're going to do now is basically put this on. It's going to connect up to these rubber pipes, and then this will fit on. And then all the original air filter and all this mess will go on. With Loctite, obviously, to ensure there's no way this thing can ever come off. So, as you can see, this will go on like this, and then the air filter will go on the outside. So, if you're interested in any of these systems, this is a stealth kit, which makes it look like the original air filter. But as you can see, there's a great big washable can end. If you compare this to the stock filter, which is pretty shagged, as you can see, just look at the difference in air that this thing allows in. This is even a complete brown filter, so the air at least double with this particular air filter. Okay, giving you massive more horsepower and a much better running bike. So we just got to basically install the filter onto it, and away we go. It's Mike from CustomCruisers.com, part 1. Thank you. CustomCruisers.com for your parts. We have got these stealth air kits on offer at I think about 150 quid, but do work really well from Kuryakyn. Thank you.